Hi guys, this is part 2 of the unboxing, and let's do it. Tempered steel, not bad. I'm going to start doing an artifact deck for my Friday Night Magic nights. Cerebral Eruption, nice. And a mirrodin. Oxida Scrap Melter is my holo. My rare is Battlesphere. I haven't gotten another mythic yet since the first pack, surprisingly. Oh my god, yes. This is the one I wanted. Well, not exactly, but I was hoping to get this one too. Sword of Body and Mind. Look it up, guys. Pretty good card. Second mythic. Brother was doubting me I wasn't going to get that card, but I get to rub it in his face when he comes back to school. From school. Chimeric Mass. I haven't read this card yet, but I'll read it later. Interested on the mythics only right now. Coldota Forge Master, not bad. Got this already in a previous booster pack too. And the holo is rare. Uzuri's Brigade, nice. Holo rare. Nice. And a poison counter. Third mythic. Look at that. Mox Opal. Nice. Wanted this one too. Yeah. And the token. So far, pretty good pulls. But hoping for a Planeswalker. Holo. That's what the holo is. Nurok and Invisimancer. And the rare is True Conviction. Yes, I like this card. Good for my Angel White deck that I have, which my brother hates. Let's see. Token and Molten Psych. It's my rare. Three packs left on this pack. Tips. My rare is Grand Architect. Not bad for a blue deck, but I don't own a blue deck. So probably don't need it. Lux Cannon, another mythic. 4 mythics. Nice. Got 3 mythics in that stack. And a wolf token. So far so good. Spike Shot Elder. It's my rare. And a poison counter. Alright guys, that's the last of second stack. And I'll see you guys on the third and final part of this unboxing.